Now here's something to think about. Did you know that millions of men around the world suffer from erectile dysfunction? Now, one of the latest procedures to address the issue is called ES, or Electrostimulation. And the reason for its popularity is its high regenerative capacity for smooth muscle cells, and therefore it makes it a beneficial treatment option for erectile dysfunction. The main goal of electrostimulation is to allow you to have an erection when you want to have an erection, as you would have said in your 20s or 30s or 40s, and to stop your reliance on prescriptive medication at the pharmacy. The procedure itself is completely non-invasive and has no known side effects. Now what we do is we attach electrodes such as these to either side of your penis, and then use this machine to pass an electric current through your penis. Now you may be thinking, ouch, that is painful. Not at all. The whole procedure is designed to be painless. The electrostimulation is designed to address multiple root causes of erectile dysfunction: poor blood flow, tissue degeneration, nerve damage, and neurohormonal dysfunction. So the expected benefits are harder erections, more spontaneous erections, more sustainable erections, enhanced sensation, better orgasms, increased length and girth, and improved sexual performance. Now, what we like to do at the T Clinic is we like to combine electrostimulation with another procedure called the ED shot, or the erectile dysfunction shot. And the two of them together make a formidable couple. So why not take a look at our website, read up more on electrostimulation, then have a look at the erectile dysfunction shot. Or just simply call us at 010 824 1393.